Hey everyone! So it's week 3 of Nate's hat challenge. So I thought, well, it's time to do my challenge. I'm a little bit behind. We're still working on the pourage, trying to get it done, and took a break today. So I'm going to paint tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 3. Okay. So I have number 9. Must use painter's tape on painting. Number 70, must use rainbow. And number 81, must use fire and ice colors. But I'm going to put the first 2 back because I've already done those. I mean, I didn't do them, but I did the rainbow and the number 9 using painter's tape. I don't know how I would do that one. So let me pick 2 more. So I got number 49, which is can only use monochromatic. And number 58, no white. Okay, so 49, monochromatic, 81, fire and ice, so that's not going to work. So let me put the monochromatic back, which is 49. Ugh, I hate when the 3 don't go together. Okay, so, whoops, I got 2. 46. Can only use metallics. Alright, fire and ice. I don't have any bright metallics that I could actually do fire and ice with. So I'm going to have to put 46 back. I'll be here all night picking numbers. Okay, number 39. Can't do a tree ring pour, so I can go ahead and pick another one. And number 53, no green. Okay, so we have can't do a tree ring, no green, no white, must use fire and ice. So we're going to do the fire and ice, and let me get set up and I'll be right back. Fire. Okay, so I'm all set up. Since I gotta do fire and ice, I'm gonna do all the fire on one side, all the ice on the other, and I'm gonna do the dreaded swipe that I absolutely hate to do. So this is gonna be my challenge. I better leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and place color. It's a good way to use up paint before mixing day. A little more red there. And some more yellow. That's going to give us orange anyway. Okay, I want to make sure I get that edge. Okay, so on this side we're going to do our blues. And I'm only going to swipe one side at a time. because I'm going to get green, I think. Okay, so I'm going to swipe with black because I can't use white. And I'm going to use black without silicone. It's like, do I want to put some metallic in there? Did I have one that said no metallics? Or I had to use all metallics. That was the one I had. Alright. Make sure I load that up pretty good. Now, good old acetate sheets work great for this. Oh, you always get one spot that doesn't behave. Do you see why I don't like swipes? Ah, I'm gonna pull it again. I better load it up again. That was coming out so good too. Okay, I got it that time. I'll just flip it over. All right. Good, first try. I'm just going to take some of this and touch up my edges. Before I torch. I'm definitely out of my comfort zone on this one. I'm not a swiper. If I missed any on the other side, I'll get it when I move it. So let me give it a torch. Those little spots there. Looks pretty good. And I'd like to run it back up just a little bit. So there you go. Fire and ice. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click below. Click on the bell so you get notified when we upload our next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. The link is below. Shop with us on Amazon, Etsy, and Redbubble. All those links are below as well. Check out Nate's channel for his challenge pieces. And that link will be below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.